We're making an easy Asian-inspired hoisin sauce with creamy natural peanut butter. It's full of flavor with honey, sesame oil, and ginger with a kiss of molasses. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make this really easy sauce, we're going to start with a few very simple ingredients. Now, you're welcome to jot these down as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details, including ingredients and substitutions, nutrition facts, as well as frequently asked questions. So in our measuring bowl, we're going to start by adding 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. And I like to use an all-natural creamy peanut butter. And it's going to be a little bit more runny than your standard peanut butter. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I'm using some tamari sauce to keep it gluten-free. But you can use any variety that you like. And to add some really delicious deep flavor, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of molasses. And for some natural sweetness, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Now for the ginger, you could use dried ginger if that's all you have, but I recommend using fresh ginger because it has the best flavor. So I'm just adding about a teaspoon of some fresh ginger. Now I recommend adding the salt after you've mixed it all together because depending on the peanut butter or the soy sauce that you're using, it might already have plenty of salt. But I am going to add a dash of pepper, and then we'll just stir this together. And then you have this incredibly smelling sauce that I'm just going to transfer to my jar. Now this is ready to be used as a dip or a dressing. Time for a little pinky test. That is so good. And I think that has plenty of salt, so I'm not going to add any more to it. Well, thank you so much for joining me today to make this super easy sauce. And if you'd like the full recipe, it's in the video description below. And that takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you join me again in my kitchen.